Hey y'all, Kristen here with Kristen and her cats. I'm so glad y'all decided to join us again in the studio for part 2 of the Altering Abarat Fantasy Art Journal series. Today we're going to be making life happy by finishing up the first spread in this altered book. If you haven't seen part 1 of this 2-part series, click the link above or visit our channel to check it out later. I am really excited to add even more layers of grungy neon colors and cute ephemera to our mesmerizing textured spread. And I'll be using some old lip gloss and some liquid eyeshadow as beautiful mediums. They are perfectly soft and buttery, and they make this spread so magical. We'll also get out the needle and thread today and do some slow stitching on a very cute piece of packaging I saved. Don't ever throw away those pieces of junk your heart tells you to keep. They're always for a reason. For a list of all the art supplies used in today's video, scroll down to the description below. Now sit back with your Sunday morning tea or coffee, let go of all your adult worries, and let's finish up this fun and vibrant kidcore spread together. Yay, we did it! We finished the first spread in our Altered Abarat Fantasy Art Journal. Thanks so much for making it to the end with me today. I'm so glad we chose kidcore as the theme for this super fun spread. It always feels so amazing to just let go and let your creativity take you back to when you were a kid. Worries just melt away, and perfection is a word you haven't even learned yet. It's a wonderful form of self-care that truly lets you be you and can definitely make your life happy. Don't forget to show your love by liking our video and by subscribing to our channel for more magically creative videos. And cats, of course. Thanks again for watching, and keep making life happy.